Good morning, 10th class. Hope you all are fine. Today's lesson is unit number 3, that is poem Try Again. It's a very important lesson and a very important message through this poem has been conveyed to you. After completing this unit, let's see what are the learning outcomes of this unit. What we will achieve after learning this lesson or reading this lesson out. After completing this unit, students will locate synonyms in thesaurus. You will find the synonyms of the difficult words, illustrate the use of degrees of adjectives and order of adjectives. Right? Many times learned topic. You are going to revise this topic of adjectives, degrees of adjectives and order of adjectives in a sentence. Illustrate the use of future indefinite tense. State the main idea of the poem and paraphrase and summarize the poem. As the very title of the poem is familiar, not difficult to understand, right? Have you read the story? Have you read the story of King Bruce and the spider? Moral of the story is try again, right? What lesson did the king learn from the spider? A king fought in a war. When he was going to be defeated by the enemy, he hid in a cave. There he saw a spider. Spider was trying to climb up the wall, but each time the spider fell down. But the spider did not quit his struggle. The spider kept trying and at last reached the top of the wall, right? And King Bruce learned the lesson from the spider, not to quit, but to try again and again. Keep trying until you get success. So this is the lesson what the king learned from the spider. Why is trying again important in life? It is important in life. If you quit, you can't be successful. So you can't quit. You have to keep trying at every cost. If you want to live your life, you have to try again and again. Is that clear? That's why trying again is important in life. Very, very much important in life, right? So this poem is written by W.A. Hickerson. All right, very simple, very important. Vocabulary was really very important. So I have underlined the words here on your book side by side with the stanzas so that you may understand the stanzas well and the meanings of the words also. The same meanings are given there here in your vocabulary questions. The same meanings are asked, same words are given to find out the meanings and to find out the synonyms. That's why I have provided you the meanings and the synonyms of these words here side by side with the stanzas. Understood? It's a lesson you should heed. Heed means pay attention. It's a lesson, ये वो सबक है you should heed, जिस पे आपको तवज्जो देनी चाहिए या attention देनी चाहिए. The lesson is try again. सबक है दोबारा से कोशिश करें, फिर से कोशिश करें. If at first you don't succeed, अगर आप पहली दफ़ा कामयाब नहीं होते, try again, तो दोबारा कोशिश करें. Then your courage should appear. So when you try again, जब आप दोबारा कोशिश करते हैं, your courage should appear. तो आपके अंदर एक हिम्मत, bravery और valor पैदा होता है. Right? आपके अंदर एक हिम्मत आती है, एक जज्बा आता है. For if you will persevere, और अगर आप उस पर कायम रहते हैं, you keep on going, you carry on, you persist, अगर आप डटे रहते हैं उस काम पर, you will conquer, तो आप जीत जाते हैं, आप फतह हासिल करते हैं. You get victory. So never fear. इसलिए खौफज़दा मत हो. Try again. दोबारा से कोशिश करें. Hope this stanza is clear. Meanings of the words heed, pay attention. Courage is bravery, valor. Persevere means persist or keep going. Conquer means win or to defeat other or to get victory. Let me clear you the meaning of persevere once again. Synonyms are persist and keep going, but there are some idioms that also define this statement. That is stick to one's guns, अपने मकसद से जुड़े रहना. Leave no stones unturned, कोई कसर ना छोड़ना, यानी किसी काम को करने में कोई कसर ना छोड़ना. Stand one's ground, अपने कदमों पर जमे रहना, डटे रहना. Right? It means persevere or persist, साबित कदम रहना. Now stanza number 2. Once or twice, एक या दो मर्तबा. Though you should fail, हो सकता है आप नाकाम हों. हो सकता है आप एक या दो मर्तबा नाकाम हों. If you would, और अगर ऐसा है, if you would keep trying, और अगर आप कोशिश करते रहते हैं, at last prevail, तो आखिरकार आप कामयाबी हासिल करते हैं. Prevail means win or succeed. If we strive means try very hard, struggle very hard. अगर हम बहुत ज़्यादा हिम्मत करते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं, right? It's not a disgrace. तो ये हमारे लिए बाइस शर्म नहीं है. यानी बार बार कोशिश करना, अगर आप नाकाम हो जाते हैं, उसके बावजूद आप उस चीज़ पर डटे रहते हैं, आप उसके लिए सख्त मेहनत करते हैं, जिद्दोजहद करते हैं, तो इट्स नॉट अ डिसऑनर. तो ये हमारे लिए कोई शेम या डिसऑनर की बात नहीं है. दो वी डिड नॉट विन द रेस, अगरचे हम रेस नहीं जीतते या उस काम में कामयाब नहीं होते जो आप कर रहे हैं. वट शुड यू डू, तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए. इन दैट केस, इन दैट मैटर, तो इस मामले में फिर आपको क्या करना चाहिए. यू शुड ट्राई अगेन. आपको क्विट नहीं करना, आपको कोशिश करनी है. अगेन एंड अगेन, आपको दोबारा कोशिश करनी है, फिर से कोशिश करनी है. बिकॉज क्विटर्स नेवर विन एंड विनर्स नेवर क्विट. जो क्विट कर देते हैं, छोड़ देते हैं, वो कभी जीत नहीं पाते. और जो जीत जाते हैं, वो इसलिए जीत जाते हैं कि वो अपनी कोशिश करना नहीं छोड़ते. होप दिस इज़ क्लियर टू यू. इफ़ यू फाइंड योर टास्क इज़ हार्ड, अगर आप पाते हैं कि आपका काम मुश्किल है, अगर आपको ये लगता है कि आपका टास्क जो है दैट इज़ हार्ड, टफ, डिफ़िकल्ट, आपका टास्क, आपका काम मुश्किल है, ट्राई अगेन, तो कोशिश करते रहें, दोबारा कोशिश करें. टाइम विल ब्रिंग यू योर रिवॉर्ड. तो एक वक्त आएगा कि आपको आपकी कोशिशों का फल मिल जाएगा. You will get the reward of your hard work. You will get the reward of your persistence. You will get the reward of your attempts, efforts. आपको आपकी efforts का फल जो है वो ज़रूर मिलेगा. So try again. इसलिए दोबारा कोशिश करते रहें. All that other folk can do, वो सब जो दूसरे लोग कर सकते हैं, दूसरे human beings कर सकते हैं, why with patience should not you? तो सब्र और हिम्मत के साथ आप क्यों नहीं कर सकते. Patience, forbearance और perseverance. तो सब्र के साथ वो काम आप भी कर सकते हैं. Only keep this rule in view. सिर्फ इस असूल को अपने जहन में रखें. Rule means principle. So keep this principle in your mind. That is try again. कि आपको दोबारा से कोशिश करनी है, बार बार हिम्मत करनी. Hope all the stanzas are clear. So the theme of the poem is, the message of the poem is universal. The poet says that when the world says give up, जब दुनिया हमसे कहती है कि give up कर दो, छोड़ दो, hope whispers, तो उम्मीद हमारे कानों में सरगोशी करती है try it one more time, कि इसको दोबारा कोशिश करो, एक मर्तबा फिर कोशिश करो. राइट. तो हमें उम्मीद का दामन नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए, और अगर हम नाकाम हो जाते हैं तो हमें कोशिश करते रहना चाहिए. The road to success is dotted with many tempting parking places. So you should keep up trying again and again to cross this road. इसलिए आपको बार बार कोशिश करते रहना चाहिए अपने मकसद की तरफ बढ़ने के लिए, कामयाबी हासिल करने के लिए. Now, what you are going to do is to solve this vocabulary part. Write the meanings of the following words: heed, persevere, strive, case, and patience. B part is find synonyms of the following words, that is courage, conquer, disgrace, hard, and reward. I've provided you the meanings of all these words here on this page. I will send you the picture of it and you will note down the meanings of the words on your notebooks. Give the proper heading and complete this. If you have any queries, you can ask. Take care.